Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. This dictation passage link and other crucial links are given in the description box. If you think that this dictation can help you in the competitive examinations, please like the button, share the video and leave a remark. I am conducting both online and offline classes for these shorthand subjects. Anyone interested in joining the Telegram group can do so by clicking the link provided in the description box. Get ready for the dictation. Ready, 1, 2, 3, start. The Supreme Court of India and the Indian judicial system are both led by the Chief Justice of India. Herein will be referred to as CJI. In other terms, the Chief Justice of India is the highest rank official in the Indian legal system. The President selects the Chief Justice of the India from the bench of Supreme Court judges based on their seniority. The CJI is in charge of ensuring that the Supreme Court continues to operate properly, including through the assignment of cases, roster maintenance, and other ranks. The Chief Justice of India is in charge of several crucial aspects of the court's judicial system. The following list includes some of the CJI's primary duties. The Chief Justice of India is in charge of assigning Supreme Court judges to cases for the purpose of handling significant legal issues. The CJI designates judicial and constitutional benches. The President of India appoints Supreme Court judges following consultation with the Chief Justice of India. In accordance with the seniority principle, the departing CJI frequently proposes the President select the following CJI. In addition, the CJI appoints additional court employees. Currently, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of India on 9th November 2002. He is the 50th CJI and has taken over the post from Justice U. Lalit, who served a brief term as India's 49th Chief Justice. This article gives the list of Chief Justice of India and their tenure. Chief Justice Chandrachud is known for his description of dissent at the safety value of democracy and for being part of several constitution benches which have delivered landmark verdicts such as the Ayodhya land dispute judgment and other judgments which upheld the right to privacy as a fundamental right. He will serve as CJI for a term of 2 years, and his father, Y.V. Chandrachud, is known for being the longest serving CJI, as held the position from February 22, 1978 to 1985. He is a former Chief Justice and a former judge of the Bombay High Court. Chief Justice of India is the head of the judicial system in India. The Chief Justice is the head of the Supreme Court and is responsible for the allocation of cases and appointment of constitutional benches which deal with important matters of law. Article 145 of the Constitution gives the right to the Chief Justice of India to allocate the respective matters of relevance to the bench of judges. The President of India appoints the Chief Justice of India and the CJI can hold the office up to the age of 65 years. Also, CJI can be removed only through a process of impeachment by Parliament. The Chief Justice of India submits his resignation to the President of India. The President of India administers the oath to the CJI of India. Article 125 of the Constitution is related to the salary of CJI of Supreme Court. The bill amends the Supreme Court Act 1956. The Act fixes the maximum number of judges in the Supreme Court at 30 judges, excluding CJI of India. The Supreme Court of India comprises the Chief Justice and not more than 33 other judges retire upon attaining the age of 65 years. In order to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court, a person must be a citizen of India and must have been for at least 5 years a judge of a high court or of 2 or more such courts in succession, or an advocate of a high court or of 2 or more such courts in succession for at least 10 years, or he must be, in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. The Constitution seeks to ensure the independence of Supreme Court judges in various ways. A judge of the Supreme Court can't be removed from office except by an order of the President passed after an address in each houses of Parliament supported by a majority of the total membership of that house and by a majority of not less than 2/3 of members present and voting, and presented to the President in the same session for such removal on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. A person who has been a judge of the Supreme Court is barred from practicing in any court of law or before any other authority in India. Stop. I am once again requesting you, if you feel that this dictation can help you in the shorthand examinations, click the like button, share the video and make a comment. I am conducting both online and offline classes for this shorthand subject. The link provided in the description box allows user to join the Telegram group. Small note: grammar locks, contractions, special contractions, phrases, advanced phrases, special list of words needs to be written once in every 15 days, and then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Thank you.